Number 9, we have 262 milliliter sample of a sugar solution that has 1.22 grams of sugar as osmotic pressure of 30.3 millimeters mercury at 35 degrees Celsius. We want to know what is the molar mass of the sugar. All right, well, we got osmotic pressure, so pi equals I m r t. So pi, we know what pi is. We know what R of course is 0.08206 liters, atmospheres, moles, Kelvin. Our osmotic pressure is 30.3 millimeters of mercury. Now note, we're probably going to have to change a unit here. All right, at least one. I, what's I? Sugar. I is 1 because it's a molecule. Right, sugar's a molecule. Molarity is, we don't know yet. All right. We know it's 1.22 grams, but we don't know the moles. And then T, 35 degrees Celsius. Well, we add 273 to that. Right? And so that's 308 K. Right? And so now we need to do osmotic pressure. So we have 30.3 millimeters of mercury. And we know that 760 millimeters of mercury is 1 atmosphere. So 30.3 divided by 760, I get 0.03986842105 atmospheres. Now, I have 3 sig figs, so that's 0.0399 ATM. All right, so now we can solve for M. The molarity would be equal to pi divided by IRT. So we'll take our 0.0399 atmospheres divided by 1, 0.08206 liters, atmospheres, moles, Kelvin, and 308 Kelvin. All right. Of course, everything's multiplied on the bottom, but it has to be done first. So our molarity, I get 0.0399 divided by 0.08206 divided by 308. I get 0.0015786679494. 3 sig figs, 0.00158 molar. All right, so now I got the molarity, and that, of course, is moles of sugar per liter of solution. We know our liters. Oh, moved on me here. Liters. If I have 262 milliliters of solution, we know that, 1,000 milliliters of solution is 1 liter. And we just learned our molarity, and 1 liter is 0.00158 moles of sugar. So we take our 0.00158 times our 262 divided by 1,000. I get 4.1396 times 10 to the negative 4 moles. So with 3 sig figs, 4.14 times 10 to the negative 4 moles of sugar. And so now, the molar mass. It's grams per mole, right? If I have moles, 4.14 times 10 to the negative 4 moles. and I have 1.22 grams, that will give me a molar mass, right? So 1.22 divided by 4.14 times 10 to the negative 4, I get 2,946.85990,338, and I have 3 sig figs, so 2,950 grams per mole. There we go. And if you want to say scientific notation, 2.95 times 10 to the third grams per mole. All right, so that's how I would do number 9.